Social Science, ninth Standard, Part Geography, Chapter 30, Major Tourist Centers of Karnataka. Exercises, question and answers with mind map, multiple choice questions, answers test, lesson based assessment, question and answers. Let's begin with the exercise first. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. First, Nandi Hill station is in Chikballapur district. Second, the Abbe Falls is near to Merkar town. Third, the Gokak waterfalls is called Niagara of Karnataka. Next, fourth, the beach near Gokarna is Om Beach. Next, five, Mysuru city is called the city of palaces. Next, short questions answer. 6. What are the advantages of tourism? Our answer. Tourism provides recreation, enhances knowledge, and generates income, creates jobs, promotes culture and national integration. Next, 7. Name the sites included in the UNESCO's World Heritage List. Our answer. Hampi, Pattadkallu, Western Ghats, Beluru, Halebeedu, Somnathpura, Faisala temples. Next, question number 8. Name the attractive places of Bengaluru. Our answer. Vidhana Sauda, Lal Bagh, Kabban Park, Nehru Planetarium, Vishweshwaraya Museum, High Court. Next, question number 9. Name the wildlife sanctuaries of Karnataka. Our answer. Melkote, Kaveri, Mukkambika, Kappadagudda, Jogi Mat, Bhimagowda, Chincholi, Talakaveri. Next, question number 10. Name the important waterfalls of Karnataka. Our answer. Jog Falls, Gokak Falls, Hebbe Falls, Abbe Falls, Kalatgiri Falls, Unchli Falls, Magod Falls, Gaganachuki, Bara Chuki. Next, question number 11. What is the slogan of Karnataka Tourism Department? Our answer. One state, many worlds. Next, match the followings. Bilirangana Hills, Chamarajanagar district. Second, Gandhi Bhavan, Nandi Hills. Third, Nagarhole, Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Fourth, Mysuru, Chamundi Hills. And fourth, Udupi, St. Mary's Island. Now, mind map. Major tourist centers of Karnataka, tourist cities, historical places, pilgrimage centers, waterfalls, historical places. Next, we will take 1 mark question and answer for MCQ test. First, the main purpose of establishing the Karnataka State Tourism Department Corporation KSTDC in 1971 was, options are here, A, B, C and D. Our right option is third one, C, to provide tourists with basic facilities. Next, question number 2. The waterfall known as the Niagara of Karnataka is, options are here, A, B, C and D. Our right option is second one, B, Gokak Falls. Next, question number 3. Which island near Udupi is famous for its unique pillar-like rock formations? Our options are here, A, B, C and D. Our right option is fourth one, D, St. Mary's Island. Next, question number 4. The 4 segments of Jog Falls are called, options are here, A, B, C, D. Our right option is second one, B, Raja Rani Roller Rocket. Next, question number 5. UNESCO site was recently added for its Hoysala architecture. Options are here, A, B, C and D. Our right option is second one, B, Somnathpura. Next, question number 6. Which district is Kudremukh Hill station located in? Options are here, A, B, C and D. Our right option is third one, C, Chikkamangaluru. Next, question number 7. What is the height of Jog Falls? Options are here, A, B, C and D. Our right option is third one, C, 253 meters. Next, question number 8. Which national park is located in Bengaluru and is known for its zoo and butterfly park? Our options are here A, B, C and D. Our right option is last one D, Bannare Ghatta. Next question number 9. The famous Chamundi Hills are located in. Options are here A, B, C, D. Our right option is second one B, Mysuru. Next question number 10. What is the slogan of Karnataka Tourism Department? Options are here A, B, C and D. Our right option is third one C, one state, many worlds. Next question number 11. Which waterfall is located near Kemmannugundi? Our options are here A, B, C and D. Our right option is second one B, Hebbe Falls. Next question number 12. The Dasera festival attracts millions of tourists to. Options are here A, B, C and D. Our right option is last one D, Mysuru. Next 13. Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Chamarajanagar district? Options are here A, B, C and D. Our right option is third one C, BR Hills, Biligeri, Rangana Hills. Next 14. The lighthouse shaped island near Karwar known for scuba diving is. Options are here A, B, C and D. Our right option is third one C, Netrani. Next 15. Which place is known for both its Vidhana Saudha and pleasant climate earn its name Garden City? Options are here A, B, C and D. Our right option is third one C, Bangalore. Next we will take lesson based assessment questions and answers. First multiple choice question and answers. 1, 2, 3, 4 questions and its answers. Next 1 mark question and answers. 5, 6, 7 and 8 questions and its answers. In these slides, third answer the 5 to 6 sentence. 2 mark question and answers. 9, 3 marks question and answer. Analyze the factors necessary for the growth of tourism. Its answer points. Next question number 10. What are the benefits of tourism? And its answer points. And finally 11. Preservation of historical moments is a responsibility of everyone. Justify its answer.